Welcome back to the vlog, everyone. Hope you guys are well. Thank you very much for sticking with the channel. Really appreciate it. I definitely fell out of love of recording and, you know, just kind of like, filming the whole process of the cars. I got carried away with, you know, getting everything ready for deadlines and things like that for shows. Yeah, I apologise, but we're back now. Got some issues I'm going to tell you about. But one thing I like to say is a huge thank you to my friend John Ludwick. We spent a few days together, him and his girlfriend Kayla, and hanging out with him just kind of reignited my passion for vlogging again and just everything kind of creative. We actually did a podcast together, and John filmed a vlog on the Brat and the SVX. He came to the garage. So check out his channel, links below. He's got a podcast as well, podcast channel, so both channels linked below. He's got some amazing cars, incredibly talented, goes on road trips, collects really rare cars. He's got a shop roof Corvair, bagged, patina, BMW 700, bagged with patina, so cool, and 2 Auto Unions, unbelievably rare. He's in the process of working on those, so please check out his channel, support him, and yeah, just some awesome content. So let's get into the issue. So I'm going to show you the passenger front side. Back's fine, passenger front, I'll show you that. You may have heard or may have saw that it didn't look quite right. It's not going down smoothly. Well, the passenger side is going down smoothly, but the driver's side is not. Now I do apologise because car's obviously switched over at the moment, so you know, the SVX is there. We've got not a lot of room here, but you can see that has not aired out. It needs assistance to get to go up properly. Now, it's been doing this for a while, and it's got progressively worse. And I didn't really kind of put 2 and 2 together until I was talking to some people. In fact, I think I was talking to John. What the issue was. Now, obviously in the garage it's going up and down like normal, absolutely fine. The first issue, or the first time I noticed it was the first show I went to. You know, aired out, fine. Went to leave the show, aired up. Driver's side wasn't going up. And eventually it would go up slowly in kind of increments. And it's got progressively worse. And I realised the first time I took it home, there's a massive pothole / crater in my along my road, and I had the car at a lower ride height, which I shouldn't have, and I went into this pothole and I hit it really hard. Definitely bottomed out the shock. So what I think's happened is I've bent the strut rod inside it because it's kind of squeaking, so it sounds like the rod's kind of been misshaped. Oh, John's banner. So yeah, I've had to buy 2 new shocks. That's the only way I can think of you know, of solving the problem. So I bought 2 new shocks, replaced the one, and I've got a spare one. So yeah, I've got to take that out. So I'll put that in, and then we'll find out if this is fixed it. I have no room. I'm not having a good time. I got it. Let's go. Same as before. What's that? Don't need that. Yeah. Like for like. If it doesn't solve it, then both are blown. Well, not blown, but bent. And if it happens again, then I've got to switch to a different setup in the front, something that's obviously a bit more hard wearing. So yeah, let's stick this on and fingers crossed. good to me, please. That was me standing on my front lip. It's really strong, thankfully. It just pinged back. Right, okay. Fixed. Yeah, fixed. Thankfully. So we've got a spare now. Yeah, this one here, which is dead. Contemplating taking it apart and seeing what the issue is, but I'm pretty confident I know what the issue is, so I'm not going to bother doing that. Now it's fixed, I can take it out and do a walk around video for you. That's going to be in the next episode. And what I'm going to do is change it up a little bit, and obviously I've been hammering it out on the Brat. There's loads of things I still need to do to it, or want to do to it. Back needs to go lower, so that's in the works. But for all of you that have been asking, we're bringing it back, and yeah, so we're gonna finish this off. So side skirts, getting new wheels, spoiler, and something else maybe, but basically I want to get it ready for next year. So not a huge amount to do, so side skirts and spoiler, wheels, obviously just change the wheels, just buy new wheels, change those, give a good detail, spray some bits, nice and simple. Oh, another thing, you may have been, you may have not wondering, so there was a filler cap, so the filler cap was on that side obviously, and it's covered up. I've relocated it to there, so I didn't want to do a cutout or anything on here, so I've just kind of relocated it so it's got a nice little locking guy on there, so I just fill it up from there, which is pretty neat. And now the plan for the Brat is yeah, I'm gonna get the back lower, so I probably need to do some fabricating and get the back lower. I'm gonna do carbon front bumper. Probably gonna take these off, flatten them down, and then re-lacquer them, because with the heat, some of the weave has kind of pushed through a little bit, so just needs flattening down and painting again. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed the updates. Make sure go check out John's channel. There you go. There's a sweet banner. There, check out that. Lovewick's Garage. If you like cool cars that are different, much like these, then yeah, you'll enjoy it. So see you guys very soon. Yeah, like I said, next video will be a walk around of this. Yeah, see you guys soon.
Subscribe, you fools.